Do you want 3 easy tips to improve your lawn year-round? If so, you clicked on the right video. Coming up, I'll share 3 easy lawn care tips that anyone can do that'll help you get green grass sooner and keep it longer. Let's get started. The first of our 3 tips is to reduce shaded areas of your lawn. You may not realize that a lot of the problems you're having with getting a greener lawn are coming from the grass not getting enough sunlight. Warm season grass like Bermuda needs 6 to 7 hours of direct sunlight in order to do well. Direct means the light hitting the lawn is not passing through any trees or shrubs on its way there. Anything you can do to reduce shaded areas is going to make a big improvement in how well your grass grows. You can reduce shade by trimming off lower hanging branches from trees and pruning shrubs to minimize how much sunlight they block. In some situations, you'll get the best results from removing the trees entirely. Using the right fertilizer or watering your lawn regularly isn't going to matter if your lawn isn't getting enough sunlight. So tip number 1 is to minimize shade. Our second tip is to conduct a soil test and fertilize based on those results. Soil testing is a seriously underutilized tool, and it's super important towards getting the best possible lawn. The process of choosing the right fertilizer and soil amendments becomes really easy once you know what's going on with your soil. Remember, grass is a plant and plants grow in soil, so anything we can do to create the best possible soil is only going to improve your lawn and help you get the greener grass that we're all after. You can do a soil test at pretty much any time of the year, but I find that doing one every 3 months gives you enough information to know if the products you're applying are moving soil nutrient levels in the right direction. The soil test that I recommend is from My Soil and can be picked up for less than $30. If you need help with using it, I got you covered. I'll have a video in the description below and at the end of this video to show you exactly what you need to do. It's super easy. The final tip is to do all you can to mow more frequently. As a general rule, the more often you mow your lawn, the better it's going to look. If you're currently mowing your lawn once every 2 weeks, even increasing that to just once per week is going to make a noticeable difference. When you mow, do your best not to remove more than 1/3 the total length of the grass at a time. Doing this is going to promote more even growth in the lawn and also has a side benefit of reducing the number of weeds you're going to have to deal with. Weeds simply don't grow as well in lawns that are frequently mowed. If you're watching this video during winter months when your grass is dormant, consider using this downtime to get your mower blade sharpened and get a tune-up done. That way, when spring rolls around, you'll be all set to get the best possible result when you mow. So to recap, the 3 easy tips that anyone can follow to improve your lawn now are: reduce shaded areas, do a soil test and fertilize based on those results, and increase your mowing frequency. I promise this simple advice will save you a lot of time and frustration and will help you get a lawn that will dominate. If you found this content useful, consider subscribing to my channel since this is where I regularly post helpful lawn care content. Be sure to leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, shameless plug, if you're interested in a deeper dive into these and other lawn care topics, consider checking out my lawn care course at golfcourselawn.com. Until next time.